Subscribers, new subscribers and viewers, welcome. Thank you guys for the support and the big up on yourself. Wanna run come there. Yeah. Fuck me, got me want to talk about from the other day, but sometimes get chance to me to put it on the back burner, but me go share it with you. Cause me see something yesterday and me thinking it look like say talk like a struggle. She a struggle bad over there for soldiers. Yeah. She a struggle for soldiers them over there. And she a draw in some of the old recruits. Them it look like she a try to draw upon them. Yeah. Me see. No, see what me see. Me see the queen bee or the whatever she call herself. She gone back over there, look like me see her type up in a comment section. Yeah. You know, a lady did tell her to go back over there. So, it look like she listen and she gone back over there because she had tried to expose. She had exposed, she had put voice note, she had put all kind of things together to show up a degree man. They said that she not work with him behind the scene and things like that, but she had show up herself too, because me can't see say she was a double agent long time, and me feel say she a work with the talk like camp, because me a study the thing, we study the things them, we watch the movement and everything, and me see anytime there's anything that Michelle or anybody else on the platform a burn out, she quiet. When she Michelle a burn out or Bobby she a burn out, any of them on the JQ on the platform, she Laura quiet, she not say nothing. So what me see, when me I go say what me see now, Michelle a burn her out. Yeah, she a burn her out about the saga where she say that she learned from the teacher, because the degree man is the teacher, and she's the student, and she learn and she put out her things, to bring him down, to say look what I was doing, you was working with me and other people behind the scene. That's what she tried to say. So Michelle never talk about it. Michelle talk about it. Lorian get mad. Talk like get mad pan her, She get out pan her, yeah. She say, I might have we no bother with no sure. Cause you talk like what everybody else I say. Yeah, say, did anybody, you say, nobody no whole a GUN to them head to donate to the charity. So she said, we might as well no keep no show then. Me I go make una listen to it. Me no like to hear our voice, but only 2 minutes. Bear with me for two minutes, because it's sweet me bad. And una have to hear it from the horse's mouth. Just 2 minutes, Bear with me for 2 minutes and listen to what she have to say. Me have to go talk over, because them mention the GUN a few times, and me have to go see if me can block that little bit out. Hold on there now. So No, not to that. No. No. I think she was saying for everybody will do her end to her head. No, say that word. No, said that, no, said GUN. Yeah, said GUN. Troubling at the camp, boy, troubling at the camp. Lorian talk like aka Lorian can't take the pressure over there because she say she fighting and losing back home. She's under pressure. She under pressure. Yeah. Pipe boat the bus. Yeah. So she not happy at all with speaker. Because speaker, I say why everybody else, I say people give it with love willingly. Nobody. So she not like the argument. But me see, talk like a plea, a call out. She a call out Maxine name. She a call out producer name. And she say she bury them people there, you know. It look like say she want them back on her side, yeah? She said she go Maxine do one show where she was talking about the same thing with JQB, the Queen Bee. I talk about the degree man, and she said she go put that I think she go do one show about it, yeah. Cause she glad for that bit of evidence there. So she call Maxine name and she say, oh, Maxine was one of the biggest donor and the lady charity. And no Maxine every day, Maxine a beg. And Maxine desperate for money and the lady should be helping her out. Yeah. That's what she said. So me think to myself. So, why should there's other people that probably he said Starmer come. Other people probably not the same predicament as Maxine where Starmer come and then want money. And me know sometimes me no feel say Maxine is hard up as how she make out, cause every opportunity she get, she beg. Sorry to say, every opportunity Maxine get, she there on the begging thing. Yeah. Me and Maxine I say she not have no money to pay a telephone bill because she not get no money. And Maxine there on YouTube, she not get no YouTube money. Maxine there on YouTube 3-4 hours, 5 hours sometime a day. And a little 10 minutes. She say bill is $100. Now tell me say Maxine not get $100. Yeah. At 10 minutes something me do and me I get more than $100. Me I get no whole it, but $100 me I get fair. Or me I get $100 if me that do. Yeah, $100. $100 you don't get. Yeah, you get $100. A little bit more than $100 for a little 10 minutes something. So me don't understand what Maxine depend. Yeah. So it's like now she talk nice about Maxine and she call out the lady over so name, the producer, the pineapple lady name. So me saying it look like so she want all the whole people them, the ex people them to come back over there because it's like say she no have no show no. Yeah. She a draft everything and in her work. Them a draft all kind of things to mix up people name in her and in her work. So she a call upon all recruits. When you go on back over there now, she a look for people. Yeah, she a look for all and new, but nobody now look. Yeah. It's like say no, the show is over. Because when speaker come out and say that no, nobody no hold nothing. And every minute them have new evidence and then can't come with nothing. Yeah. So that's all. Me have to say, me see she post up something over there. Put somebody, something she cut out and little part of it and put over there. Yeah. She splice and dice, so we splice out a little piece of here, something now and put over here, so. And then like we splice and dice and manipulate stories. Yeah. We don't manipulate, no, we just cut out piece. We laugh. Yeah. So laugh. Who laugh first or laugh last? What me have to say? It look like say, she look for help. She look for help. So, we don't know, maybe, me feel say, maybe Maxine might go back over there. Maybe. Me don't know. After she did talk about it, spit up something. Me don't know if Maxine now go over there or she did bury a little grand picnic and all and something there. But this is social media. People do all kind of things. The people then will do certain things for certain people. You find out say they're quick to forgive. So me don't know. Let's watch this space and see what go on down. Anyway, Farman don't talk and she's hard. Please like and share this video. Thanks for watching.